You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two names. If you want to learn more pronunciations, you found the right channel. I've got many more videos coming up at the end of this one. Top name is masculine. Dean is the most common pronunciation. Dean. A long E sound, you could spell it D-E-E-N, Dean. As a consequence, the feminine version, the female version, Deana is the most pronunciation. That's your bottom name here. Not Deana. Some may pronounce them, do pronounce it Deana as well. Unfortunately, that's the confusing part sometimes of this feminine name. Deana is generally the most common pronunciation, although some say it as Deana or Deana also. Generally Dean and Deana. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.